Hey guys, it's Angie. Today I'm going to tell you what sold for me over this weekend, and that includes from Friday afternoon about 5 o'clock until Sunday evening. I did have 18 sales and it was about $345. Not bad considering Friday I had a lot of sales of my pillows, which I will tell you guys all about tomorrow. But let's get into the sales and see some of the items that sold for me. The first item that sold is something I will never buy again, and that is Easter candy. This year, after the holiday, I went to Dirt Cheap and they had an amazing sale of all bags of candy for 25 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, I did sell quite a few of them, but I'm still sitting on bags of candy. And that's after doing like this crazy Halloween purge where we were giving away bags of candy to the trick-or-treaters who came to my house. In any case, I do have these Sour Punch bunnies and chicks. I did sell two sets of those. Now that means 6 bags all total for $20. Unfortunately, 6 bags is going to be too much to go into a flat rate, so I'm going to have to send it regular priority, which is probably going to end up costing me $12. Live and learn. But yeah, that is on my never ever buy again list. If you saw my sourcing video of Halloween costumes last week, I said my kids would love to be zookeepers, and my little zookeeper costume did sell for $17.95. Oh my gosh, this little dude or whoever's getting it is going to be in charge of all of the animals. How lucky for them. Then my favorite of all costume was this Drift Fortnite costume. The mask on it was amazing. It sold for full price $39.95 and it's going internationally via the global shipping program. The other thing is I bought this Sally wig, and when I showed it on my video, I showed it was still in the netting on the inside, which shows it was never ever taken out of the bag. It was kind of iffy on that one because it was just a wig, but it sold for $15.95 full price, and that was with free shipping, but shipping is going to be about $3. The next item that I sold was something I actually just listed today. It is called Unstable Unicorns, and it comes with 3 expansion packs. Evidently, the money is in the expansion packs because I actually had a couple questions about it, and by the time I got around to answering them, somebody had already bought it for full price, $19.95, plus shipping. I sold these shoes. These I had only listed about 3 or 4 days. Allen Edmonds are great men's shoes, so if you find them, definitely pick them up. Mine, I showed that it had some wear along the edge, and I did describe that, but other pairs are selling in the $50 and $60 range. Even though this had a little bit of wear, they still sold right away for $22.95 plus the shipping. Here's something that I took a $10 offer on just because I've had it sitting for a while. It's a really pretty bright red sweater with the chunky buttons, and for some reason no one was interested. Now shipping is high. It's $8.95 because it is a chunky sweater. Yes, chunky sweater. I guess that's how you would describe it. I don't know. But so I was just feeling whatever today. I'm like, sure, $10, and so they got a deal and I got it out of my inventory. Bras are always a great thing to pick up, especially if they're new with tags. Heck, even if they're not new with tags. If you get Kashik, like Victoria's Secret, Bali, any of like good name bras, they do really well. This bra here sold for $16.95 with free shipping. Shipping's going to be under $3. Torrid is always a great brand. If you're not familiar with Torrid, they are a plus size women's clothing store. They're a mall brand, but they are extremely popular with the 20-30 something crowd. And this dress, I actually took a best offer of $16 plus shipping. It was very kind of like a heavy dress, even though it was short sleeves. So I thought it's the perfect time for that. But I paid $1 for it, so I was more than happy to take that deal. Here's another one of my items that I got the Crazy Casboys on 25-cent day, and it was just a Samsung water filter. Doesn't sell for as high as some of the other ones. That's why I waited till 25-cent day to pick it up. But it did sell for the $12.95, so super happy, and it took about a week. Here's another one of my 25-cent items. Look at this poor box. Oh, it's a little worn down, but that's okay. Inside, it is completely new. We pulled them out so they can see exactly what they're getting, and it did sell for full price of $15.95. And then here is yet another one of my Casboy finds. You'll see on a lot of them, if you look down here, that is the old Amazon tag. See that right there? So you could tell it was definitely an Amazon return or an overstock from Amazon. So got this for $0.25 and it sold for the full price of $17.95. Okay, $345 in essentially 2 days, from Friday at 5 until Sunday about 7 o'clock. 18 sales. It's not terrible. Now I will say that I have been selling some old inventory because I have made some changes with my promotions, I think, that have been helping my store, and at least selling some of the old items that have been sitting there stale, which I love. Anything that has been sitting there a long time and gets an offer, even if it's low, I'm more than happy for that to make its home to someone else. And Friday, I made $500 selling pillows, and I'm going to tell you guys all about that tomorrow. It was a crazy day around our house on Friday, and but it was kind of interesting and fun. And I got all the pillows for free, so I will give y'all a recap of that tomorrow. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about how I've been sourcing on Crazy Casboys, I'll go ahead and insert a video right here so you can take a look at what I'm talking about. And then I will also be putting out a video tomorrow telling you all about my pillow excursion and how I made $500 in 5 hours selling pillows. Until next time, I am Angie. Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, would love if you subscribed and join us on my reselling adventure. Until next time, I'm Angie. Bye.